you like this video, subscribe to it, because you're going to get very top quality, cutting edge information about how to grow fruits, vegetable, herbs, create your own medicine in your own yard. Right? Whether it's a small yard or balcony, we will teach you some amazing tricks about how you can grow things like. This is young Harrison. He's 7.5. I've known him for a year. And
I'm not 7.5 anymore.
No, almost.
But I'm not anymore because I'm taller than Ronald.
Yeah. You're not telling me you're cheating when you're standing on the thing, are you? It doesn't matter. You probably will be taller than me.
Yeah, when I'm older.
Exactly, when you're older, exactly. So what we're going to do today, we're going to talk about a particular fruit, which is one of my favorites. This fruit can be eaten raw, fresh, can be eaten with creme fraiche, with yogurt, and with honey, and it's fantastic on a barbecue. This is a plant I planted this year. It's called peach peregrine, Peregrine. As you can see, the compost is very rich, like that. Lots of compost in a raised bed, lawn clippings to keep it warm and moist, and you can see incredibly healthy plant. Look how green it is. Peach peregrine, Peregrine, very suitable for UK climate. Right? In about 3 years' time, that will give us about probably 30 peaches.
Also, kids, if they want to watch this, they won't understand how you spell that, so you have to say it in kids' language too.
Yes, correct.
Like,
do you remember what I spelled?
R.
Yes. Grin. Peregrine.
Ra. Itna.
Getting close. Getting close. That's pretty clever.
But if you want to listen to him, just if the adults want to listen, the adults listen, and then they'll tell them to the kids, but in a kid's language, like P, like per, x, ka, anything.
Peregrine.
Huh?
Peregrine. Remember, if you want to plan
Remember that parent, and say it to your kids, but in a kid's language.
Perfect. Now this one is quite a big piece. It's yellow. It's yellow on the outside. Sorry, green on the outside, green red, and inside is yellow flesh. Right. That is one of the juiciest. Now, one of the best things about the peach is if you've got a barbecue, like when the weather's better, you cut the peach in half.
Like,
you put it face down like that. You put a bit of barbecue fire with charcoal. And then you let grill.
We don't have charcoal. We have
gas.
Yeah.
You have gas. Yeah, you can do both. You can do both. And that is, when you've done that as a treat, you can have 2 or 3 peaches like that cut in half, and then you put creme fraiche or double cream, and then you put honey with it or yogurt. Absolutely delightful after a meal, right? So that is the peach I would recommend. Peach peregrine. So if you like the video, right, subscribe to our channel and you'll get a lot more information about how we grow things like that and which ones I recommend, especially for the UK climate.
Also, slap that subscribe button and that bell and that like button, because then we know you like how then we know you like our videos from Planet Wellness, and subscribing will give you notifications to Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, and all the other days we'll be filming. Just to Saturday, they'll be launched out in Tuesday and Thursdays.
Now I'm going to teach you some Australian now, because I'm Australian, right? Okay, so what you can do, and you say,
right, I'm walking away.
I
don't need to speak Australian, thank you.
What you do is like what?
I can speak Spanish.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to say what in Australian. Voila.
I used to have Spanish lessons at my old school, but I can't remember some of the words.
Okay, well I'm going to say Australian. Good day to you. Take on. Good day to you.
To you.
That's it. You're an Australian now.